He tried home, maybe, and I said, check here, not better 5,000. And tomorrow is Saturday, we told 2. That's how we love God. We buy another sample 2 million and not profit. Use your talent well. So get friends, good friends. Even a friend advised me on the coach. Now he's a professor, associate professor at Kente University. He's Reverend Professor Obedente at the Mass Department. What do you know?
Yes.
What do you know?
Yes.
And he went somewhere. He is my very good friend. One good turn deserves. I sacrificed to help him. He told me, when we were doing national service in Texas, he told me that he completed Prempeh College. And he said, he can't go to the university now on our side, so you have to rewrite one of the papers. And at that time, that was with accounting accounts government. 9. It is my guy, Melbourne University straight. So I decided to help him, so I brought him to Accra here, and the one in charge was my mother's classmate. So when we got there, the woman, her soul rest in perfect peace. Mrs. Amwa helped him, and also gave me a form so that I could also go to the training college. Paying me 6 CDs every fortnight. So for the month, they were paying me 12 CDs. And with every month, they bought me a store shirt. So, as a Methodist, I prefer going to Baptist because I could get money and store shirts. So that is the galamsey in the church. Yes, I was teaching them songs. And you back me said, all the songs that have been there. What's it meant to back? I'm going back. He's coming, hallelujah. God is good. And you bro. Look at. It's also good to have friends, but you need to have good friends. Okay. You have good friends and you have bad friends. Your instinct will tell you this person is a good friend, but listen to your instinct. But before that, identify the talent, as I've already mentioned to you, and use it well. Just aspire. The first visa I've been now, Ghana, and they go US, and the smiles, anything in front of one. They catch the one and say, oh, you are more media, why you and then when they meet me in Canada for you, I'm can be This woman came to Ghana and he came for a program at Koforibia, and I was invited as a special guest. I went there and this woman saw me. In fact, he was leading a medical group to Ghana, and he approached me to have a picture with me. And that was it. So in fact, they took about 5 to 7 pictures. She took it to the US, and her children told her that you should bring me to the US. So the woman made arrangements, and I I went to the US embassy and they gave me, before that, when he brought the offer, I turned it down. I couldn't get the type, so he got another one. So my wife told me that this time I should make sure that I get to the embassy and get a visa. I said, how can I do it? I said, oh, I should have go to the first degree. And so, you shoot the talent about what they said. And they said, what you mean, Abet, what you mean, Kasa, what you mean, Sosa, and also how many passes. And the other one to cook Kagra. You want to polish it, but also will do Alaba. What are only one and it won't be the Casa. We're talking about jokes. Also, will do. So, we have to, I want to assure you that you have great talent. Everyone here has a unique talent, and you need to identify it, nurture it, and use it well. And that's what they want to talk about. The talent back home, singing. We did give one, I said, we done what you did. Governor, I will give my national service in the month. Some people are there more. 91, one of their own. You will be one of their own. You see? Now I did my national service. And I was teaching in about 4 different churches. Adon Baptist Church, Methodist Church, Christ Revival Church, and the True Church. I was teaching them music. And one did I go? Hello? Hello? For the sake of time, I'll cut almost 3 models. And in that church, I was teaching in 4 different churches. I've known about the church, Methodist Church,